some manners we need to read the Igbo society. It's either you speak English or you speak Igbo. This should stop. We did not say we say nae. Take note. We did not say agbalomo, we say odara. We did not say white soup, we say ofensala. We do not say gele, we say echafo. We do not say inyanga, we say ngala. We do not say fufu, we say apple. We do not say asobi, we say. We do not say aje, we say bam. We do not say olosho, we say akona. We do not say African salad, we say abacha. We do not say Ankara, we say ogodo or aqua or mpuru, according to your dialect. We do not say pomo, we say kanda. We do not say banga, we say ofako. We do not say ogumpayu, we say ketepa bachaganya, akrepata rachagi kense. We do not say eba, we say otara. And we do not say shu, we say eziogo. Now follow the trend in the comment section. Tell us what we do not say in Igbo language. Let's read our Igbo language of this menace. Bikon.